Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping Termux so the environment is reliable. First, install the latest Termux APK or F-Droid build, then run Termux setup storage and accept permissions so files are accessible. Next, update the package list and upgrade packages with pkg update and npkg upgrade. Install essential tools like curl, prutdistro, and git so you can fetch and run a full Linux distro. Once these are in place, you're ready to create the CRUT container and move to the next phase. Now you provision and configure the distro inside Termux. Use prutdistro list to pick a distribution, then prutdistro install name to download and set it up. Once installed, prutdistro login name drops you into the container. Create a regular user, optionally set sudo, and configure locales so tools behave predictably. Generate or import SSH keys if you need remote access. Inside the distro, run apt or apt to install build tools, and mount Termux storage paths to share files between environments. Finish by making the workflow repeatable and recoverable. Create a tiny startup script that runs prutdistro login name or add a Termux widget to open the distro quickly. This saves time. Back up your home folder and prutdistro configuration to cloud storage so you can restore on a new device. If something fails, first check stdir for mount or permission errors, then rerun Termux setup storage, and consider removing and reinstalling the distro. That fixes most corrupt image or permission issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.